students, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we will practice English grammar. In this video we will check our English grammar. I have few examples, and with that examples I have four options. When I read one example, pause the video and mark your answer. After that, restart the video and check whether your answer is correct or wrong. So before we start the video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, first we have, which of the following is an abstract noun? Door, love, table, wood. The answer is love. The feminine of king is princess, herself, landlady, queen. The answer is queen. I have cleaned my room blank. Myself, himself, itself, herself. The right answer is myself. Healthy diet is necessary. Blank good health. In good health, for good health. By good health, at good health. The right answer is for. You must help blank needy people. You must help a needy people and needy people, the needy people, by needy people. The right answer is the needy people. Sam forgot his bag blank home. In home, on home, at home, upon home. The right answer is at home. Which of the following is collective noun? Army, love, interesting, cycle. The right answer is army. Mount Everest is blank highest peak of the world. Now Mount Everest is a highest peak and highest peak, the highest peak, none of these. The right answer is the. Next, the sentence with correct use of adjective is December is more cold month of the year. December is colder month of the year. December is more coldest month of the year. December is the coldest month of the year. The right answer is option D. December is the coldest month of the year. The feminine of nephew is daughter, sister, niece, aunt. Well, the right answer is niece. There are blank letters in English language. 27, 28, 26, 29. The right answer is 26. A, E, I, O, U group of letters is called alphabets, vowels, consonants, or letters. The right answer is vowels. Alpha means 1, 4, 6 or 2. Alpha means 1. Letters make blank words, sentences, phrase or vowel. Well, letter makes words and words make for the sentences. There are total blank parts of speech. Well, there are 9 parts of speech. Thank you so much for watching this video.